going to use a rubber insulation, that whole thing will become very heavy.
It gives me great pleasure to unbox our Arduino Uno remote control car, or rather an app controlled car kit. It comes packaged in a very durable box, and once you open it, all your smaller components, your Arduino Uno, your HC05 Bluetooth sensor, your distance sensor, your resistors, there are some LEDs and some switches in this. And this Arduino Uno, if you see, this is made in Italy, R3 model. We also, if you take the classes with us, you get this lithium ion battery, which is not too easy to get. It makes sure that all your projects are actually in working condition. 2200 mAh with an 11.1 volt battery. We also give these smaller 9 volt batteries for children to explore with connectors. For this one, this is a motor controller that comes with this. Then this is a IR sensor for line following robots. There is a servo motor. There are these breadboards for more activities that the child might want to pursue. There's a connector. There's also a data cable that's part of the kit, and so that you can program your Arduino Uno and connect it to the laptop. There is this screwdriver, and then there are these jumper wires, male to male. You have this chassis which has motors, as you can see, wheels, and this has all your screws and pins that you would require to make this car. And the best part is that this box is big enough to house the car forever.